Making money online is a dream for many. It means flexibility, freedom, and the potential for unlimited income. But often the thought of starting an online business feels daunting. What if I told you it could be simple with the rise of print on demand and powerful AI tools like those offered by Canva? Earning extra income online has never been more accessible. Gone are the days of needing significant upfront investment or technical expertise. The pod model lets you create and sell custom designed products without holding any inventory. This means you don't have to worry about storage, shipping, or handling returns. And with Canva's user-friendly interface and intuitive AI tools, even someone with no design experience can create professional-look designs. Whether you're a student looking for a side hustle, a stay-at-home parent seeking extra income, or simply someone wanting to be their own boss, the combination of Pod and Canva AI empowers you to turn your creative ideas into a profitable online business. Let's dive in and explore how you can make this a reality. Print on demand is a revolutionary business model that allows you to sell custom-designed products without off-inventory management. Here's how it works. You create a design, list it on a pod platform, and when a customer orders, the platform prints, packages, and ships the product directly to them. You only pay for the product when it's sold, eliminating the risk of upfront investment in stock. This model offers incredible flexibility and scalability. You can start with a single design and expand your product range as your business grows. From t-shirts and mugs to phone cases and wall art, the possibilities are endless. Pod platforms integrate seamlessly with popular e-commerce websites like Etsy and Shopify, making it easy to set up your online store and start selling into global audience. The beauty of Pod lies in its passive income potential. Once you've created and listed your designs, they can generate sales for you 24/7 even while you sleep. This allows you to build a sustainable income stream without being tied to a traditional 9-to-5 job. In the vast world of e-commerce, finding your niche is crucial for success. A niche is a specific market segment with unique interests and needs. Focusing on a niche allows you to tailor your designs to a targeted audience, increasing your chances of attracting customers and making sales. Think about your passions, hobbies, or areas of interest. Are you passionate about animals, travel, or fitness? Do you have a knack for creating funny slogans or inspirational quotes? Your niche could be anything that resonates with you and has the potential to resonate with others. Once you've identified your niche, research popular trends, keywords, and competitor products within the market. This will give you valuable insights into what customers are looking for and help you create designs that stand out from the crowd. Remember, the more specific your niche, the easier it will be to target your ideal customers and build a loyal following. Canva has revolutionized the design world with its user-friendly interface and powerful tools, making professional-level design accessible to everyone. But Canva's AI features take it to a whole new level, empowering you to create stunning designs with incredible ease and speed. Canva's AI tools help you generate design ideas stuck in a creative rut. Canva's AI can suggest design templates and layouts based on your chosen niche and product type. Create unique graphics and illustrations. Canva's AI image generator can create custom illustrations and graphics based on your text prompts, saving you time and effort. Write compelling product descriptions. Crafting engaging product descriptions is crucial for attracting customers. Canva's AI copywriting tool can help you generate persuasive and SEO-friendly descriptions that convert. With Canva AI, you don't need to be a design expert to create eye-catching designs that sell. Its intuitive interface and powerful features make the design process seamless, allowing you to focus on what matters the most: building your pod business. Section 5. Setting up Etsy and Shopify. Now that you have your designs ready, it's time to set up your online store. Two popular platforms for selling print-on-demand products are Etsy and Shopify. Etsy is known for its handmade and vintage goods, making it a great platform for reaching a large audience of shoppers interested in unique and personalized products. Setting up an Etsy shop is free and straightforward, allowing you to list your products quickly and start selling. For those looking for more customization and control over their online store, Shopify is an excellent choice. Shopify offers a wider range of features, including customizable themes, payment gateways, and marketing tools. While Shopify requires a paid subscription, it provides a more professional and scalable solution for growing your print-on-demand business. Both platforms integrate seamlessly with with print-on-demand providers, making it easy to connect your designs and automate the fulfillment process. Choose the platform that best suits your needs and budget and start sharing your creations with the world. Section 6. Scaling up AI content creation for maximum impact. As your print-on-demand business grows, you'll need to create more content to keep up with demand and attract new customers. This is where AI-powered content creation tools can be a game changer. AI tools can help you generate social media posts. Creating engaging social media content is crucial for promoting your products and building your brand. AI tools can generate captivating captions, schedule posts, and even identify trending hashtags to maximize your reach. They can also write blog articles and product descriptions. Providing valuable content can attract customers to your store and establish you as an authority in your niche. AI writing assistants can help you create informative blog posts and compelling product descriptions that resonate with your target audience. Additionally, AI tools can design marketing materials. From email newsletters to promotional banners, AI design tools can help you create visually appealing marketing materials that grab attention and drive sales. By leveraging AI content creation tools, you can streamline your workflow, save time, and focus on growing your business. Section 7. The power of digital products, profitability, and beyond. One of the most significant advantages of the print-on-demand business model is the high profit potential of digital products. Unlike physical goods, digital designs have no production or shipping costs, meaning a larger portion of each sale goes directly into your pocket. This high profit margin allows you to reinvest more capital back into your business, experiment with new designs and products, and scale your operations faster. Moreover, digital products offer instant delivery, providing a seamless and convenient experience for your customers. Beyond profitability, digital products offer the potential for creating a lasting impact. By designing products that inspire, motivate, or bring joy to others, you can build a brand that resonates with your audience and creates a positive impact on the world. Section 8. The long game, consistency, and persistence payoff. Building a successful print-on-demand business takes time, effort, and dedication. While the tools and resources available today make it easier than ever to get started, it's essential to approach it with a long-term mindset. Consistency is the key. Dedicate time each day or week to work on your business. Whether it's creating new designs, promoting your products, or engaging with customers on social media, don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Building a sustainable business takes time. Persistence is equally important. The online marketplace is constantly evolving, so be prepared to adapt, learn, and refine your strategies along the way. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and never give up on your vision. Remember, success in any endeavor requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and grow. By embracing these principles and utilizing the powerful tools available, you can turn your creative passion into a thriving and profitable print on demand. That's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.